beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Kikoff account, and I want to show you some comments that I actually got from a lot of people. So thank you everybody that's dropping those comments. And I want to show you, how long it's going to take for you to be able to get into Kikoff if you're not in Kikoff. I know a lot of people that are waiting around, and I'm the type where I'm kind of impatient too. I like to see, and I just sent a lot of comments. I just want to let you guys see those comments too, and hopefully get some motivation to stay patient, right? Remember, you guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. I talk about real estate. I talk about credit. I just want to talk about overall what you have to do to be able to get whatever you want in general in life, right? So let's go over the Kikoff account, just in case you guys don't know what Kikoff is. Kikoff, they have two accounts. They have an installment account where what they'll do is they'll loan you $12, and then every month you have to come in here and click pay. Now, you have to pay $1 off. So they'll loan you $12. They'll keep it in your virtual wallet, and all you have to do is log into your account, click pay, and they're going to have you pay $1 back every month. Every month that you actually pay it back, they're going to report it to the credit bureaus, Equifax and Experian, not TransUnion, and then it should boost your credit scores. Now, my credit scores went up 37 points, you guys. It went up 37 points in 2 weeks because after I signed up, it took 2 weeks for them to report it to the credit bureaus, and my credit scores went up 37 points. So that's why I really like Kikoff. Now, Kikoff, they got a new account right now, you guys. Now, with the new account, they have, it's like a credit card. It's like a credit account, whereas think about it like a secured credit card. They're going to give you a $500 limit. You just have to buy something in their store, which is ebooks. You'll have to buy something in their store, which would be $10 all the way up to $20. And when you buy that item, they're going to go ahead and approve you for that $500 limit. And see, we had bought a $20 ebook, so now the account balance is $20, and their available credit went down to $480. So they're going to report a $500 limit to the credit bureau, right? $500 credit card account. So you guys don't have a credit card. Now you do when you go ahead and sign up for Kikoff. Now you don't have to pay that $20 right now. What they're doing is they're pushing your payments back 2 months to start off, and then you only have to pay $2 per month until that $20 is paid off. Now, if you guys want to pay it early, you want to just get it out the way, all you have to do is click right here, click right here where it says want to pay full amount, and then they'll go ahead and let you pay the full amount so you can pay it off. And that's what I did on my account. I just paid it off. I just didn't want me to switch my debit card or anything and then not pay it. So I just went ahead and paid it off. So I'm going to see if they're still going to report that $500 account to the credit bureaus, which I'm sure they're going to do. But I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys posted. Now, if this is an account that you guys want to get, which I suggest everybody go ahead and get this account, especially if your credit score is low and you can't get a credit card, this can be the way to get you through the door, right? And don't go crazy with buying things. Just buy one thing and then let them take the $2 off every month and just leave it at that. Don't try to just like, oh, let me buy all these ebooks. I love these. Let me just buy 20 of them, or you got $500 available. Don't do that. Please don't do that, because it's going to mess with your utilization. You don't want to spend more than 5% of this credit card. So you really don't want to spend more than $25 on this credit card ever. So let's go into some of the comments on the waiting list, and if you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comments, and I'm just making videos, you guys, off of these comments. So hopefully this video is helpful, and I'll make a video personally for you if you drop that comment. Now, this is the Kikoff account. So when you guys come to Kikoff, you're going to go ahead, come to kikoff.com, and you're going to click join the waiting list. So all you have to do is put your email address in. After you put your email address in, they're going to let you know, hey, you have joined the waiting list right here. And they'll let you know that they're going to email you soon when it's time for you to go ahead and sign up. Now, after you go ahead and get that email, just wait patiently. Now, let's look at these comments that we actually got. So they're awesome. They gave me $500. Then I had to buy a $20 product. They basically had to buy a $20 product. So they have to pay $2 per month. I was also on the waiting list, but for only 7 days. So they was on the waiting list for one week, which is really good, you guys. That's not that bad. I got straight, like when I first signed up for Kikoff, I was able to get straight in there, but after a while, too many people signing up, they have to have a waiting list. So let's look at the next one. Somebody didn't even know about a waiting list. Yeah, you guys, you have to join the waiting list right now. A waiting list to be able to get the product. It's just so many people want this. So many people want to sign up for Kikoff. There is a waiting list. So yes, you have to wait. Did mine tonight for 10 months. They sent me an email Monday about it. So they sent them an email Monday about it. I'm not sure if Gary already had it, but they sent them an email Monday about it. And today is Saturday, so 2 days ago they left this message. So Thursday, so Monday to Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 3 days. 3 days, that's good. No, today is Sunday. 4 days. So it took them 4 days. It took them 4 days to sign up. So that's really good. It's really good. 4 days. And you're welcome. You're welcome, Gary. I was able to sign up. It took me. Oh, look, listen to this one. This was like, wait, what? What? Thank you, Miss Stone, for sending this. Because I was like, wait, you got right on in. So I was signing up for the waiting list, and it took me into setting up an account. So it was no time on the waiting list for me. So let me know if this happened for you. And they said this was 20 minutes ago. So again, today is Sunday. So this happened Friday. So on Friday, they went straight on in and tried to sign up. And they took them right on in. They didn't have to wait. They tried to join the waiting list. And they just took them right on in and sign up. So if that happened for you, definitely let me know. Waiting list isn't long at all, like a few days up to 2 weeks. So yeah, you guys just wait. As I said, wait up to that 2 week mark. If you guys don't hear anything, then I would suggest you guys send another email. Join the waiting list using another email if you just can't wait, And I will use multiple emails. Like me, I don't know. I'm not patient at all. So not join the waiting list. If I have multiple emails, they took me right to the account. But if I was to join the waiting list, if I have multiple emails, I would put all the email addresses in, like literally, and wait. Whichever one they tell me about first, I would be like, whichever one they email me on first, I would jump on it right away. But hopefully this video was useful and helpful for you guys. If you guys have any questions, make sure you go ahead and drop them down in the comments. I'm just pushing out videos based on the comments that I'm receiving. So I'll talk to you guys later. I'll see you guys in the next video. And pretty soon I'll be going live as, I will go back normal with my live videos. So I'll go back to the normal with us going live every day. So hopefully I'll see you guys on live videos. If you guys have any questions about credit, or if you guys need me to look at your credit reports, or anybody on my team to look at your credit reports to see what you can do to get a higher credit score, make sure you guys call me. Don't forget my phone number is 833-Rickita. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.